Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing very easy noodles recipe you can make in lockdown. So I've boiled the noodles as per the instructions given on the pack and straining it. I added some oil, that is my olive oil, and some salt and water, and then boiled it. Now I'm straining it. So to stop the cooking, like the steam is coming, we'll add some cold water to it. Now I'll be showing what all ingredients I've used. So some cabbage, carrots, capsicum, onion, this soy sauce, green chili sauce, garlic paste, all these ingredients. Now in the iron wok, we'll be using this iron wok today. I'm adding some olive oil. When it heats up, and we have to remember that we should keep the flame excessively high when we use this thing, when we make Chinese food. So added some garlic paste to it, and flame should be high entire time frying the garlic paste. Now I'll be adding the onion to it. I'll toss the onion. We do not have to cook the vegetables, so it should have a crunch in it retained, so it'll hardly take you 5 minutes to toss all these vegetables. It should retain that crunch, that bite should be there. Now I added all other vegetables. You can go ahead and choose vegetables of your choice. I've used capsicum, carrots, cabbage and onion. So I'm tossing them nicely. Now I'll be adding some salt, red chili flakes, and not flakes, but you can use chili flakes, and black pepper. These three spices I've used. You can see some chili. Now added some black pepper, salt and red chili I've already added. Frame got a little bad here, but I've added these three spices. Also shown them in the ingredients. When after this vegetables are done, we'll add this soy sauce. Now I'll add noodles. Ideally we should add soy sauce after, but I added it prior, I forgot. Now I added the noodles. Now I am mixing the vegetables with the noodles. Now we'll go ahead and add some vinegar and green chili sauce to it. You can also add red chili sauce if you want, or ketchup, but personally I don't like ketchup in my noodles, so I don't add. I use red chili and green chili sauce. That does the perfect thing. Also I do not use some Ajinomoto and stuff. This is a vinegar we are adding. I don't use Ajinomoto, MSG or stuff like that, because it's not good for your health. Then added the green chili sauce as I already mentioned. We'll saute. We'll mix everything together nicely, and then we'll plate it and eat it. So the noodles are ready. Now we'll plate and eat. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I hope you like the recipe. Please give it a try. The left one has the vegetables more and right one had the noodles more.